Hello, in this video we're gonna check the phone size of a Blackview BV6600E. So we'll be comparing my hand. I have a small man hand and here's the coin, just so you can see the comparison of my fingers. I'm gonna pick up this phone and just show you it from all angles. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.